Hi, I'm AJ Flores, running as PA Sophomores Batch. People often see me as the happy-go-lucky one, the one that just goes with the flow, the sabaw person, yung hindi marunong magseryoso. Kaya nung tumakbo ako, sabi nila, talaga? Eh di ba sabaw yan? Pero alam ko, nakaya ko. Kaya nung may tinanong sa akin, sabi ko, natatakot ako, oo, takot ako. Yan ang sagot ko nung tinanong ako kung ano ba ang strength ko. Weird, di ba? Strength, takot, such irony. But at the end of the day, bakit ko nga ba nasabi yun? I'm scared, yes. Pero masama ba maging takot? Hindi. It only means you're vulnerable. You're open to new things. You're open to new learnings. You're open for growth. Being scared means that you're human. You're not above anyone. You're ready to follow, not just to lead. And that's how a true leader should be. Ngayon, takot pa rin ba ako? Oo, takot pa rin ako. Oo, di naman dapat mawala ang takot. I will always be ready to accept new things, to learn new things. And I know, being a leader is not all about demanding, but rather, listening and applying everything so that you can improve. Takot ako. Pero with the batch and with the council, kakayanin ko. Kaya nga, laging andyan, di ba? Kasi di kayo iiwan. I'm AJ Flores, ang batch na makikinig at di kayo iiwan. Promise.